Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can create a complete project report for a bank loan using Finline. If you've never created a project report before, don't worry at all. You don't need accounting knowledge, technical skills, or financial experience. Just follow what I'm showing on the screen. Now, the project report creation page opens. Finline works in a simple step-by-step format. You just need to enter basic details and the system automatically prepares calculations and financial projections for you. Let's start with the first section. Here, enter your business name. This can be your existing business name or the name of the business you are planning to start. This name will appear throughout the final report submitted to the bank, so make sure it is correct. After entering the name, click Save and Continue. Next, choose your business type. Select the category that best matches your business, such as manufacturing, service, trading, agriculture. Now, select the loan type you're applying for. For example, Mudra loan, MSME loan, or other business loan options. Based on your selection, Finline structures the report according to bank requirements, which saves a lot of manual work. In this section, you'll enter your investment details. Add all the expenses required to start your business, such as machinery, equipment, furniture, land cost, setup expenses, or any initial investment. You only need to enter the values. Finline automatically calculates totals. Now, we move to monthly expenses. Hope you'll add your expected running costs like salaries, raw materials, electricity bills, transportation costs, maintenance expenses, marketing expenses, and other operational costs. Even approximate values are okay. The software instantly calculates monthly and yearly projections in the background. Next, fill in the applicant's personal details. Enter information like name, category, education qualification, and other required details. Banks use this information for verification and loan eligibility assessment, so make sure everything is accurate. Now, enter your business information. Add your business address, locality, PIN code, organization type such as proprietorship or partnership, along with your mobile number and email ID. These details make your report complete and professionally formatted. Once all sections are completed, Finline automatically generates your project report. You can preview the report, check all financial details, download a sample version, or purchase the final bank-ready PDF report. All financial statements and projections are created automatically, saving you hours of manual preparation. If you need help at any point, you can contact Finline support directly through chat or WhatsApp available on the platform. And that's it. With Finline, creating a professional project report for a bank loan becomes simple, fast, and stress-free. Start today and take the first step towards getting your business loan approved.